everyone, this is Mel from Mel's Canadian Vlog. For today's video, we are here at the park. Spend time with family, but it's really windy. So, samahan nyo kami guys. Dito kami sa park, really orange. Ang kapaligiran very soon, it's gonna be winter. Hello everyone. So this is my color. So we're in the woods. Go for a walk. Fresh air. And it's nice to see here. So look at the leaves. They're all starting falling. No, no more leaves. I'm getting ready for winter. So it's kind of cold though. It needs
It's going to get chilly now when the sun's away.
yeah. Where? Where is it? Hey mom, look at this. It's free woods. Maybe you're thinking about this. Jason is free to get the woods. Okay, so here we go. Lace orange starting fading the colors now. So just have for a walk here. Yeah, you can go there.
I can go to the trail?
Yeah.
Can I go to the trail?
They're just supposed to be doing a parking lot.
There's a parking lot. Go that side. It's a parking lot, Daddy. So this is the pond. I mean, creek. Jessie and I, we went here before.
Yeah, go ahead.
Can you give me this?
Yeah, you ready?
Yeah.
What did you say? Yes, I will marry you. Get up. Listen, mwah. Love you. Okay, we're done our walking here. See, so beautiful. The water is so blue, the sky is blue. Even it's cloudy, but it's really beautiful. So it's bonding time. See, para happy naman yung si Jassy. So we're just in the park. And after that, we're going to Tim Hortons. It's timbits and chocolates. So, kasi malamig eh. Kamay malamig na kasi mahangin. So, ito lang Canada guys. It's fall. It's autumn season. So, it's really good day. So, nito super lamig na. Yan. Ito ang Canada. Yan oh. Wala na mga dahon. Kasi tanggal na. So, they are already going to sleep. Tutulog na sila. Thanks for watching guys.
Yeah.
See you in the next
Next
video.